Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodlerz, and today I'm going to be showing you my Doodlerz box. It is available for pre-sale right now. You guys can get it for 35% off with the code that I'm going to leave in the description of this video. And I have a limited amount of pre-sale ones available. After that, I will be posting it for regular sale on June 1st. If you find it through my YouTube, you can still use the code Doodler25. You can always use that code for any of my products in my Etsy store. Sorry, the code is Doodler, not Doodler25, just Doodler. But you get 25% off any of my products always. So if you can't get it for pre-sale, you can try ordering it regularly and you still will get 25% off. After the pre-sale, I'm not sure how many boxes I'll have available. It kind of depends on how many of these inserts I can get made, because these take quite a while to make, and you'll see in a minute why. I'll kind of explain the process, but it has taken me so long, guys, to make all these things. So I'm not sure how many boxes I'll have available after the pre-sale. I also have a limited amount of binders and like the extra goodies that you get. So that being said, let me show you what you'll get. This kind of lists out the items that you'll get. So an A6 binder, so that's this binder. It has kind of like a pebbly texture. It's like a blue purple tie-dye. You might have seen me using this in our mini Mondays. There's 2 pen loops here. There's some pockets for y'all to put things like extra envelopes or challenges or whatever. You can put the little paper clip that you get. You could put it like right here. Mine has, I put like a sticker right here on mine. So there's the binder. It does not, I am not including envelopes, but you can use any A6 envelopes will fit in there. So here's an extra one that I just have laying around. So you can put the A6 envelopes in here. Just like that. There we go. Okay, so that is the first thing that you'll be getting. Next, you will be getting 2 5x7 challenges. So that's these right here. So we have this scratch off challenge, which is a save 35. It has gold 0.5 stickers on this little butterfly background. Let me actually open this up because I just realized that this one does not have a sticker on this one right here. So I'm gonna have to go back and add a sticker right there, and I'm gonna go check to make sure all of them have a sticker right there. The next one is a butterfly. Just when the caterpillar thought her life was over, she began to fly. This is a roll and save. So this one is not laminated. It is just made on, this is like a glossy photo paper. So you would roll a die and write in the amount to save right here. And this one is laminated. It is laminated with 5mm laminating sheets, and the cardstock that I use is 110-pound cardstock. So very thick, very sturdy challenges that you'll get. Okay, the next thing that I list is a vellum A6 challenge. So that's this. So let me open this up and you can see what's going on here. Of course, I'm throwing things all over the place. All right, so this is a vellum A6 challenge that you'll get. It saves $100. Each butterfly is $2. So you would fill in the butterflies as you save your money. I recommend using a Sharpie, and then you can erase it with isopropyl alcohol, What I like to use these days, I've been using hand sanitizer. You just put a little drop on there, give it a little rub, and it wipes off. So there's that, and this should fit in any of your envelopes that you have. Should fit right in there. Like that, so you can save your monies. All right, you're also going to be getting one of these dashboards. So the dashboard is just meant to make your binder pretty. You can just put it right here in the front, and it's just a nice little quote: "Be kind, be brave, be true, be you," when you open your binder. It's just cute. It's just for decor. Now you don't have to use all of these things in the same binder. You can kind of mix them up. You can use them wherever you need them. Really, it doesn't have to be all like related to this binder, but you can. If that's what you would like to do, you can do that. Okay, then you're going to be getting these trackers. So you can add your amounts that you add to your envelope or amounts that you take out of your envelopes. So you get 6 trackers. They have kind of like a little butterfly design on them, and they're all different colors, which I thought was cute. And then you can just add the date that you add or subtract money from your envelope, whether you're adding or subtracting, and then the total that you have left in that envelope. And same thing with these. I would recommend using either a wet erase marker or permanent marker. Let's try this wet erase. Let's just say it's today 5/20/25 plus $5. So we have $5 total. Okay, so that's how you would do it. And you would stick it in your envelope here. There we go. And to erase, same thing. I'm just gonna use, there we go. That worked a lot better. Maybe wet erase is the way to go. I don't know, I felt like the permanent marker was a little bit harder to get off. So maybe wet erase if you have them. Okay, so those are the trackers that you get. Next, let's open these. These are the dashboards. So this is for just labeling your envelopes so that you know what each envelope is meant for. And again, you get 6 of these. So all of these products, y'all, are made with that 110-pound cardstock. So I don't know if you can tell like how sturdy they are, but they're pretty sturdy. And they are laminated with 5mm laminating sheets. So they're pretty hefty, pretty sturdy. Let's see. So you could say, for example, you know, that this envelope is going to be for rent. Oh, I don't like how that marker is writing. Let's see. This one maybe is going to be for debt. This is for an emergency fund, etc. So you can label them however you want. You could do this as like you could label them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and use it for like a mini Monday type situation, or Tiny Tuesdays, or Freebie Friday, where you have the challenges numbered so you can't see what they are. So lots of ways to use these guys. All right, next we have just some extra goodies. So the first extra goodie is this bookmark. So let me open this and show y'all. It's just a pretty butterfly bookmark. It is metal. Ah, so cute. I love it. So you could put this like here, just a little decorative hanging out thingy. That would be cute. Obviously, you can use it for an actual bookmark in a book. But it's very cute, very sturdy also. I just love it. I love it. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna put it here because I think that's cute. Okay, then you have some stickers. Let me open these. Okay, I just love fun stickers, and I thought these butterfly stickers would go so well with the theme. I thought maybe you could use them to decorate the front of your binder. You could add some to the inside or to your envelopes or just to your notebooks if you, if you are someone who also enjoys journaling or any type of crafty things like that. I just thought these were so cute. So you have just some little butterflies, and they are so adorable. I think that one might be my favorite. That one. So very cute little stickers that you get. You get 2 of these pens, which I have actually been using one in my planner, and it writes really nicely. Let me show you. I'll do a little writing test. So there's my name. It's very smooth. It feels kind of like a gel pen. I don't know. I don't know. I like them. I feel like they work really well, and I've been using mine for the past couple months, and it is still going strong. So has not run out of ink yet, and you get 2 of these. And then you get just some little post-it notes that are butterfly themed as well. So there's definitely the theme continuation there, the butterfly theme. And that is it, guys. So lots of goodies for you in this box that I hope you will enjoy if you decide to purchase it. I know someone mentioned that they don't really want, they don't really need a binder. And so I said maybe I would just offer like these extra goodies without the binder. So like if you wanted to just purchase these, but I'm not going to do that until after like the sale. And if you ordered these, you wouldn't get the extra goodies. It would just be like the challenges, and it wouldn't be for as good of a deal. Because right now the value of this box is like over $70. If you took all these like components by themselves, it's like $70+ of items that you're receiving in this box. And with the code, so it's going to be listed for $50. With the code Doodler, you can get it for 25% off. And if you buy it on pre-sale, it's 35% off. So you're getting a really good deal, because like if you buy 35% off, it's like 30 something dollars, and you're getting all of this for a value of like 70 plus. So I think that is a really good deal. I don't know what y'all think, but let me know if you think that's a good deal. Because I want to make it fair. You know, I don't want to like overcharge. I want to make it a good, reasonable price. And I will think about making these things as like separate purchasable items. It takes so long to make all these things. 25 sets of these, you know, it's like 2 pieces of paper, laminated, cut, hole punch, or like corner punch the corners to round them off. It has taken me forever. So I'm not going to do this box every month. I'm going to do a box every like quarter. So I'm already planning out my next one to release. I'm not going to give you guys any information about it yet because I'm still planning it out. But it took me a long time to plan out this one, to get all these things put together. So I can't do it every month. It would be too much. But every quarter you can expect a little Doodlerz box, and I hope you guys enjoy. So it's available for pre-sale now. Go check out my Etsy store. It's listed in there. I will be shipping it out after June 1st. So please just know that if you buy it for pre-sale, it will not go out until after June 1st. And I hope you enjoy it. And thank you so much for your support.